Hello, welcome back. Now in this video, I'm going to share the interesting and practical debugging tips with you. That is to debug the value in the TP register in the RISC-V architecture. And the screen you are looking at is a 332 debugger, and at this point, the binary, the RISC-V based VM core is already uploaded using 332 debugger. So what I'm going to do is to show you the core stack with the set of the general purpose register in RISC-V architecture. So first command I'm going to use is the v.f command, and please take a look at this. And this window is about the core stack of the process. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to use the R command. And R command is a 332 command that allow me to take a look at the register. So I will move the position of each window, and please take a look at this. This window contains the core stack of the process, and this window is about the general purpose register in the RISC-V architecture. And I'm going to then do the extra work to move on to the parent function in the core stack. For this, let me choose the up button and down button. And what you're going to see is the stack pointer register is updated, changed whenever I move on to the another function inside the core stack. So if I choose the up button, then please pay attention to the value in the stack pointer register. Please take a look at this. Up. That this value is changed every time I move on to the parent function in the core stack. And then you're going to see that if I move back to the original function, and stack pointer register is also updated. And here another interesting register is and TP register, and please take a look at this. The value in this register is unchanged if I move on to the function. Please take a look at this. Value of this register is not updated, and we have that important question: why TP register is provided? And I'm going to show you the debug signature of TP register, and then you will see the why TP register is available. So for this, I'm going to copy this content onto the notepad. Here it is. And then you will going to see that the value of the TP register is this kind of value. It looks like address, but secret behind the TP register is that this address is the address of task descriptor for this process. So I'm going to show you and why the value of TP register is the start address for task descriptor. And what is task descriptor? Task descriptor is this kind of structure. This structure represents the property of the process, and this is one of the important data structure in RISC-V. And what I'm going to do is the typecast with this and address. For this, I'm going to use another command that is offered, that is supported in 332 debugger. That is this command. Then I'm going to copy this address. Then if I use this command, and new pop-up will appear, and to show us the value of the element of task descriptor. So I copy this command and I will give a hit right now. 1, 2, 3. Please take a look at this. I just used this command to typecast with this structure based on this address. So please take a look at this. All this element is and that is defined in the task data structure. Please take a look at this. What you can see is the state flag, and that is 0. And another important flag is stack. Inside the task descriptor, the lowest address for stack address is saved onto the stack field inside task descriptor. And I will go down to this box and this window to see the name of this process. Please take a look at this. And the name of this process is k.sh. And also you can identify a lot of the element inside the task descriptor. So after I look into a lot of memory dump in RISC-V system, and I got to know this pattern, that is to utilize the address of TP register. TP register has the address for task descriptor for this process. So every time I have the opportunity to look into the crash issues in the RISC-V system, many times I refer to the address in the TP register. So if you have opportunity to look at the memory dump in RISC-V system, and please refer to this video, this material, this skill, then it will save your time of debugging. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this material will helpful for you. See you next time.